Welcome back to Explain the Charts. Today is March 13th, 2025, and we're taking a close look at Bitcoin, ticker symbol BTCUSD. We'll start by examining the current news surrounding Bitcoin and then dive into some detailed chart analysis. Several key events are shaping the market right now. Recent search results highlight a mixed bag of news, including a Bitcoin rally spurred by lower-than-expected inflation data, but also warnings of potential downside risks. Specifically, analysts are warning of a potential drop to $73,000. On the other hand, there's talk about Bitcoin hitting $150,000 or higher by the end of 2025, with some experts even predicting much higher targets in the long term. It's important to consider both bullish and bearish signals. Now, let's switch over to the daily chart to see what insights we can glean from the technicals. Looking at the daily chart, we can see the overall trend over the past several months. Bitcoin has experienced significant volatility, marked by periods of strong upward movement followed by pullbacks. We saw a substantial rally beginning in late October 2023, continuing into early 2024, then consolidating with pullbacks, and then retesting higher highs and volatility in March 2025. Let's zoom into a specific range of candles to get a clearer picture of recent price action. Focusing on the period from late February 2025 through March 12th, we can see a sharp decline followed by a bounce. The recent daily candles show a struggle between bulls and bears, with a large wick on March 10th's candle indicating a strong rejection at lower prices but a lack of a clear trend. Now let's switch to the hourly chart for a more granular view of this recent price action. Looking at the hourly chart, we can see more clearly the volatility that was seen in the daily charts. Recent CPI inflation data has spurred some bullish movement, but there are key price levels to watch. There's likely resistance around 84,000 and 85,000. If Bitcoin can break convincingly above these levels, we could see a retest of recent highs. However, a failure to break above this resistance could signal a continuation of the downtrend, with a potential target around 76,606 or even lower. Switching to the 15-minute chart, we can identify some potential short-term trading opportunities. Pay close attention to support levels near 82,000 and 82,500. A break below these levels could indicate further downside pressure. Conversely, a strong bounce from these support zones could present a buying opportunity with a target near 83,000. Now, let's recap the key takeaways. In the short term, watch for reactions around the 85,000 resistance level. A break above this level could lead to a bullish continuation, potentially targeting $90,000 or higher. This scenario is more likely if positive news continues to support market sentiment. However, if Bitcoin fails to hold above the support around 82,000, a bearish scenario could unfold, potentially driving the price down to $76,606 or even lower. This becomes more probable if global trade tensions escalate or if there are negative regulatory developments. Don't forget to monitor upcoming economic data releases and news regarding Bitcoin ETFs, the US Strategic Bitcoin Reserve, Montana GOX, and any actions from President Trump, as these could have a strong influence on Bitcoin's price action in the coming weeks.